morning, boys and girls. Today we're doing lesson 1.7 on multiplying decimals. I'm going to go through just a few examples. Multiplying decimals is the same as multiplying any whole numbers except you have the decimal point. One of the biggest differences between multiplying decimals and adding and subtracting decimals is you do not line up your decimal points. So I will give you a couple of examples, some from the book, some not. So for example, on page 43, they have $9.70 times 38.5 or 38.5. You do not line up your decimal points, but you multiply like you would any other three-digit numbers. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 7 is 35. Carry your 3. 5 times 9 is 45. Plus 3 is 48. You're done with your 5, so you put your 0 or your X here. 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 7 is 56. Carry your 5. 8 times 9 is 72. Plus 5 is 77. You're done with that. Now you have to put 2 zeros because we're over here at the 3. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 7 is 21. Carry the 2. 3 times 9 is 27. Plus 2 is 29. Then you add it up just like any other multiplication problem. 0, 5, 8 plus 6 is 14. Carry the 1. That's 5 plus 1 is 6. Plus 7 is 13. Carry the 1. 10 plus 7 is 17. Carry the 1. That's 3. Now you need to go back up here to the numbers that you multiplied and count up your decimal points. You have 1, 2, 3 places to move in your product. So you go here and you go 1, 2, 3, and you put your decimal point. So your product would be 373 and 45 hundredths. The 0 does not have a place value, so you do not need to name that place value, okay? So we'll do one more example. Okay, and this example we will do is 12 and 42 hundredths. You can find this example on page 45 times 28 and 6 tenths. Notice I did not line up the decimals, and I'm going to multiply straight out. 6 times 2 is 12. Carry the 1. 6 times 4 is 24. Carry the 1 is 25. Carry the 2. 6 times 2 is 12. Plus 2 is 14. Carry the 1. 6 times 1 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. I'm done with the 6. I put my 0. 8 times 2 is 16. Carry the 1. 8 times 4 is 32. Plus 1 is 33. Carry the 3. 8 times 2 is 16. Plus 3 is 19. Carry the 1. 8 times 1 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. Now I'm done with the 8. I add my 2 zeros, and I'm at 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4, I'm sorry. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. And 2 times 1 is 2. I add it up. I've got 2. 5 plus 6 is 11. Carry the 1. 5 plus 3 is 8. Plus 4 is 12. Carry the 1. 10 plus 7 is 17. Plus 8 is 25. Carry the 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. Plus 4 is 15. Carry the 1. And 1 plus 2 is 3. I come back up here. I count over. 1, 2, 3. I come down to my product. 1, 2, 3. So my product is 355 and 212 thousandths. So that's just another example of how to multiply decimals. Boys and girls, if you have graph paper at home, I would suggest that you use it. That way, your numbers will stay lined up and you won't make any mistakes in your place value. So if you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day. Bye.